Hi, so I just received my DJI V2 goggles from Anubis RC, previously known as Get DPS. And in today's video, we are going to see what's inside this box and also learn how to update the DJI V2 goggles. Now, there are two firmwares that the goggles V2 have been shipped out with. One which works with the regular digital FPV system, and the other one is for the DJI FPV drone. If you have a drone like mine with a regular DJI Air unit or a Vista, then you just need the regular firmware. But if you have got goggles with the firmware for the drone, then you might want to skip to the end of this video and see how to downgrade and update it to the right firmware. Now, NJ from Anubis RC has just informed me that all of their patch which are being shipped out currently are being shipped with the regular digital FPV system firmware. That means it's going to work right out of the box with this particular drone. But however, you still need to update it to the right firmware and get it going nicely. So let's get started. These are the DJI V2 goggles, and by the looks of it, they look quite similar to my V1s. In fact, I would say they are almost identical. But however, it's definitely got a different hardware and a firmware inside. The box also includes the pouch, headband, 4 antennas. These are the dual band antennas, the power cable, and the USB-C cable. Now, Team Anubis RC has just informed me that the V2 goggles are also being shipped out with the battery, but due to the customs regulation in India, you need to have a BIS certification for importing batteries officially. And they are working on this paperwork, and they will be receiving the batteries in the month of April. So they should be shipping out the batteries to all the customers who have bought the V2 from them by the end of April 21. But however, the battery is a 2S 1800 mAh, and I don't think so you will get to more than 30 minutes or 45 minutes on your V2 goggles. I've been using a 4S 2200 mAh, and I could easily fly for my entire session of one day. So I'm going to use a similar battery for the V2, and the V2s can also take up to 6S. So you can use any battery that you have for your setup. Now, if you are new to the digital FPV system, the DJI goggles do not work out of the box. That means you need to first register on DJI.com, create your account, and get your goggles activated. I'll take you through all the steps of how to activate your goggles and also how to upgrade it to the current firmware so that it can work with your digital drone. So the first thing you need to do is activate your goggles and download the DJI Assistant 2 FPV series software. I'll put down the link for you so you download the right software. Also, before connecting the battery to the goggles, please make sure that all your 4 antennas are connected to the goggles and the battery is fully charged. The process can take several minutes, so please make sure that the battery is fully charged. Log on to DJI.com, click on Downloads, click on Softwares, DJI Assistant 2 series. You need to download the DJI Assistant 2, that is the DJI FPV series. This is the software that you need to download. So click on this. We are using Windows. So we click the exe file, wait for it to download. Once your download is complete, you need to click on the exe file, say yes, I accept, click next, choose your destination, next, 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 install. On finish. Now you have your DJI Assistant software ready. Since I already had logged in the past, it's showing me my ID, but if you don't, then you will see something like this. And first we'll click agree, agree. You need to enable both of these tabs to make the software work correctly. So I'll click on and then say next. Consider later. now you might want to register if you are a new user. So you can say sign up. Sign up will take you to this window. You can enter your email address, your password, and that's it. Once you have created this account, you can use it to log in. Mine is this. Sign in. So now we have logged in and it's asking us to connect the goggles via USB. So let me grab my goggles. First we will power up the goggles with the battery. You will hear a fan going on, that means it's connected and it's booting up. Wait for a couple of seconds to see the display. So now we connect the USB cable to the goggles. As you can see, it's detected the goggles DJI Goggles V2. Click on the goggles and it says activate your device when you first connect it to the app. So we say start activation. Asking for my correct email ID. Confirm your account. I agree. Next. I agree. Confirm. It's activated. Activation success. Complete. So now my goggles are activated. So it shows my current firmware is 01.00.06.03 and the latest available is 606 and mine is on 603. So I'll go for the latest official release and say upgrade. During the whole upgrade process, the following items are required: computer connected to the internet, device powered on with sufficient battery and USB connection. Start update, downloading the update. This might take a couple of seconds or minutes. Now that our update is complete, we can go and find the DJI Air unit with our goggles and see the feed. Now you can see that our current version is 060 and the latest one is 060. It's complete. About. Now that our goggles are activated and updated to the latest firmware, all we have to do is link the goggles with the digital 3D system that we have. So to do that, we need to power on the goggles, plug in the quad, and press the small red button underneath the power cable to start the linking mode. You hear a small beep that is in the linking mode, and press the link button on the air unit. That's it. Let's see if we've got the feed. Perfect. Now it's time to go out and fly. Fly safe. Thank you for watching the video.